Hi! Today we're going to write sentences together. Are you sitting up nice and straight and tall? Do you have your paper and pencil ready? Good job! The first sentence we're going to write today is jets go fast. Will you say that with me, please? Jets go fast. Will you tell me what the first word is? What is it? Jets. Good job. Will you sound it out with me? J, e, t, s. When we're writing a sentence, we always have to put a capital letter at the beginning. So we have to make that capital J. So we start at the top, we come down, but curve before we hit the baseline, and then stop, and then a horizontal line. J, e, t, s. Okay, what's the next part? Jets go. Sound it out. G, O. Good job. Put your finger down because we have to make a space. Pick up your finger, move away, and write G, O. Nice. Make sure yours looks like mine. Jets go fast. Give me the sounds. Here we go. F, a, s, t. Okay, so we're going to put our finger down to make a space. We're going to pick it up, move over, and write F, A, S, T. Jets go fast. Is that the end of our sentence? Yes, it is. So what do we have to put at the end to remind us that's the end? I hope you said period. Good job. Okay, our next sentence, let's read that whole thing together. Jets go fast. Good job. Our next sentence is kites can fly. Say that with me. Kites can fly. The first word is kites. Sound it out with me. I, t, e, s. Okay, what do we put at the beginning of a sentence? A capital letter. You're right. K. K. I, t, e, s. Check yours. Make sure yours is just like mine. Kites can. Give me the sounds. Here we go. K, a, n. We're going to make a space. So if you need to put your finger down to see how far you need to move over, and then write k, a, n. Okay, read it. Kites can fly. Give me the sounds. F, o, I. This is our y, I. Okay, so we're going to make a space between our words. And we're going to move over and write f, o, I. We have kites can fly. Is that the end of our sentence? Yes. What do we need to put at the end? A period. Good job. So put that period there. Read the sentence with me. Kites can fly. Good job. Let's read all of these sentences together. Jets go fast. Kites can fly. Can you think of a picture you could draw in color that would match these sentences? Okay, good job. I hope you're saving your sentences so that you can go back and practice reading with your sentences that you've written. We will see you later. Bye-bye.